How to enable or turn on auto translation on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To turn on the auto translation on TikTok, go ahead and launch a TikTok app first and foremost. After that, you need to log in into your account if you have not yet. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, at the top you will see the three horizontal lines. Click on it. Select on the option of Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, locate the option of Content and Display. From there, right at the bottom, head over and select on Language. So at the top, you'll be able to see your app language, and at the bottom, you will see the translation option. There, navigate to the option of Always Translate Post. Make sure you toggle it on. After you have toggled it on, your post will be translated into your translation language when possible. This will include post description, comment, photo, video caption, and text in video as well. You can select on the Translate Into option for more feature. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so